It's Thanksgiving morning at the Almquist house, and we didn't go to church today because Kara and Zachary were sick. Kara's still sick. Zachary's a little better. They had fevers. Zachary! Zachary!
I wanted to go to church.
There's Kara. There's Amariah. And there's Hannah. Okay, and there's Linnea.
Happy Thanksgiving!
All right, Rihanna, good job. And there's Snips. He's taking a siesta. He had his breakfast. And, there's Noble looking in the window. Which I think it's too bright for this to get him so well.
No, get
There's Zachary.
Get SpongeBob. Get SpongeBob.
All right.
You can get Noble now.
Okay. There's Fuzzball. And there's Noble. There's Mariah.
Have a wonderful day.
All right. Well, we've all had our Mexican hot cocoa for the morning. And
Big thumbs up. Now do it to you. Do it to you. Here, I'll do it to me. There's her, the videotaper.
All right, everybody, say bye. We'll see you at the meal.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.